All right, you guys, so we're gonna be doing some pot pies, some different types of pot pies. You see we have three different kinds, so I'm gonna show you different ways to do it. So we're gonna call this video Game Day Pot Pie. So I'm gonna explain the reason why. Because this pot pie right here is gonna be your chili cheese dog pot pie. This is gonna be your cornbread and chili pot pie. I'm gonna show you the chili I'm gonna make for that, as well as this right here gonna be your corn dog pot pie. So let's get into the video on how to make these wonderful dishes for your next game day. Okay, let's assemble this corn dog. Very simple and easy. Here already chopped up. These are jalapeno cheddar hot dogs chopped up. You know what I'm saying? We got, we're gonna be putting it in. And I'm not gonna show you how to make, cornbread mix. That's what it is. You can get Jiffy's or whatever you like. You get a jalapeno one. But let's get into making it up. So what I'm gonna do is put some hot dogs at the bottom. Now you're making a corn dog, so gotta make sure you have that. So just spread at the bottom. I think that's about it. And now right here you can start building the flavors. You can add cheese, you can add onions, you can do, you can go a lot of different ways in here. But I'm just gonna keep it a basic corn dog, with the jalapeno cheese link. All right, so and next, make sure you put your oven on, preheated on 350 degrees. You just cover it, because anybody that knows a hot dog, corn dogs are fully covered. And that's it, you guys. Like I told you, this is gonna be a real simple and easy recipe. So when the oven gets to its temperature, we're gonna put this in, but I'm gonna move over to the next pot pie. So this is one simple and easy corn dog pot pie. So let's move on to the next one. All right, so now we're about to whip up this chili for that cornbread and chili pot pie. So what I did was, we're gonna start with, so, letting everybody know we are, doing it out of a can. This is not from scratch. Like I said, we're making comfort food real simple and easy. And so I'm gonna show you how to do this. So what I did was to elevate this can is get about, say, 6 patties, and cook them down with a little cumin, bell peppers, onions, garlic, with little fennel seeds and stuff like that. Just to give a little, chili flavor. And then I'm gonna add this into it, to elevate it up. So, so that's why we're doing this. But if you notice, the ground meat is not chopped all the way down. It does have some chunks in it. I do like that. Now, if you want to add in some stewed tomatoes in here, this is the time to add your flavors to build in it. So let's get into it. I'm going to add this chili in, and we're going to get over to assembling, the rest of the pot pie. Now, you can also, too, add beans. This is a bean chili, but I didn't want to add too much. I wanted it still close to a Texas-style chili with more meat than beans. Because Texas-style chili does not have any beans. So I know y'all in the comments, I'm in here watching, saying, hold up, I know. But there are different styles of chili, like that. The ones that don't really have beans in it are used a lot of times for hot dogs and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you how to, make something, really, really nice real quick. So let's get over to it. I'm going to finish this up, and we're going to get over to assembling everything. All right, so now that we finished the chili for the cornbread and chili pot pie, it's time to assemble it. So let's get to assemble it. What we're gonna do is layer the bottom first. Layer the bottom of your pan. Let it cool down first before I did it. So just spread it out, on all corners and stuff like that. Spread the chili out. And you put your footage aside. Now just add your cornbread. Real simple and easy. I love this one. It's game day. Weather getting ready to start getting cool. So this is perfect. So all you gotta do is just add this on top. Put around the edges. Just let it fall. You don't want to fill it all the way up because you don't want it to overflow once it starts baking. So that's it, guys. Leave a little room for it to grow. All right, so we'll get ready to put this in the oven on 350 degrees, and I'll show you when it's done, when I take it out. All right, so we're gonna assemble it. Now that we did the crust, everything's done, chili is done, let's start assembling. So we're gonna actually add the meat in at the bottom first. Like I said, really simple and easy dish to make. Now I only use one. This is a cheese hot dog. Well, cheese hot link. And next, I use the leftover of the chili that we had earlier for the cornbread. I'm just fill it in. All right, so remember this is a chili cheese dog. Now the cheese is inside, so let's add the cheese on top. Alrighty. All right, so I'm gonna add a little red onions. Just a little bit of it. You know, it just depends on how much you like. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to do. So let's get this crust on. All right. All right. Just roll it on the side. My pizza dough is stretchy. And the reason why I use pizza dough because it's closest to bread. You know. So, all right. Add a couple of hoes. We're gonna let the pop. All right. So I'm getting ready to put this in the oven. All right, you guys. These pot pies are done. You know, they all came out amazing. You know, saying no issues. And you know, real simple and easy. That's what we're talking about in this whole entire video, how to make simple and easy dishes. And these 3 different types of pot pies came out amazing, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, you know, me showing you how to make some game day pot pies. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to see these wonderful, easy dishes that we're going to be throwing at you throughout the month. Since, you know, I'll be, in this series, showing you different ways to make pot pie. Not the traditional way, but different ways to, you know. So thanks for coming on through, and I'll see you guys in the next one.